GoCharting versus TradingView. Which charting platform is better? Choosing the right charting platform can completely change how you analyze markets without missing key insights. Both GoCharting and TradingView offer powerful tools but differ in features and usability. GoCharting and TradingView are top charting platforms for traders and investors. The core difference lies in their approach. GoCharting focuses on advanced customization and real-time data, while TradingView offers a vast community and extensive social features. GoCharting is a comprehensive charting platform designed for serious traders who require detailed technical analysis. It provides real-time market data, highly customizable charts, and a wide range of technical indicators. Users can create custom layouts, apply drawing tools, and set alerts tailored to their strategies. The platform supports multiple asset classes, including stocks, crypto, and forex, making it versatile for diverse portfolios. GoCharting's strength lies in its speed and precision, offering a clean interface that prioritizes data clarity. However, it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners due to its advanced features and less extensive social integration. Ideal users are active traders and analysts who value deep customization and direct market data access without distractions. TradingView is a widely popular charting platform known for its user-friendly interface and strong community-driven features. It offers a broad selection of chart types, indicators, and drawing tools, combined with social networking elements like idea sharing, chat rooms, and public scripts. TradingView supports multiple markets, including stocks, forex, crypto, and futures, with real-time and delayed data options. Its biggest advantage is the collaborative environment where traders can learn and share strategies. The platform is accessible to beginners and professionals alike, with tiered subscription plans providing additional features. Limitations include occasional delays in free data and fewer customization options compared to GoCharting. TradingView suits traders who want an intuitive platform with social insights and easy access to shared market ideas. When comparing GoCharting and TradingView, the choice depends on your trading style. GoCharting excels in delivering fast, precise data and deep customization, making it ideal for traders who rely heavily on technical analysis and want to control every chart aspect. On the other hand, TradingView shines with its community features and ease of use, perfect for traders who benefit from social interaction and shared insights. For example, a day trader focused on detailed setups might prefer GoCharting's advanced tools, while the swing trader looking to learn from others may lean towards TradingView. Both platforms cover multiple asset classes, but GoCharting offers more granular control, whereas TradingView provides a more engaging user experience. Trade-offs include GoCharting's complexity versus TradingView's social advantages. Choose GoCharting if you need high-speed data, advanced customization, and a professional-grade platform focused on technical precision without social distractions. TradingView is recommended for traders seeking an intuitive interface combined with a vibrant community and social features. It's perfect for those who value collaboration and learning alongside powerful charting tools. Both platforms excel, so pick the one that fits your trading approach best.